Okay, so on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your lawnmower blade. Or take it off, sharpen it, put it back, whatever you're doing. Number one, make sure you got some glasses on, safety glasses, some heavy duty gloves. These aren't heavy duty, but I've been doing this for millions of years. The other thing you need is an impact socket, specially designed to work with an impact wrench. So make sure you have that. I have a little adapter. These are also specifically made for impacts. Little impact deal here. Snap it in there. All right. The next thing you want to do, you want to find your spark plug wire or spark plug cable. And you want to take that off, kind of put it out of the way, make sure it doesn't make contact. You can take your spark plug out too, but I don't find it's necessary. That's just for safety, so it doesn't want to start on you when you're working on the blade. Shut your fuel off. This mower has a shut off right here. Just turn it. Your mower is probably different, but you start there. You want to have a little box, a crate or something, maybe a bucket, so you can flip your mower over. When you flip it over, make sure you're flipping it in the direction of your oil drain plug. If you don't, if you flip it this way, the opposite way, you're liable to get oil into your carburetor and your piston, and it just makes a big old mess. So always tilt it towards your oil drain plug. And that holds it up. All right. So make sure your impact is going in the right direction. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Put it in there. Just slightly hit the trigger on it. You don't want to go crazy with it. Just a slight hit. There you go. Once it's loose, just back it on out. Hold it steady. Get your new blade. Or if you're going to sharpen your old blades, which I recommend, if you're a homeowner, you can probably get a whole year or two out of a blade. But you want to sharpen it at least, if you're mowing weekly, at least once a year, maybe twice a year. You'll get a lot nicer cut. So sharpen it or put a new blade on. Got a new blade. Make sure these the fins, a lot of blades don't have these mulching fins on them. Some have a curve. Make sure it's pointing towards the mower. That part goes towards the mower. Curb. Hope you can see that. Put your washer and your bolt back in there. Now always start the bolt by hand. You don't want to go in there all crazy with your impact because you'll cross thread it. Make sure it's going the right way. Snug it up. Now don't tighten it with the impact. You can if you have the feel for it. If you're good with your hands, you've done a lot of impact work. But on this mower, the torque on this is about 32 pounds. So we set our torque wrench to 32 pounds. Put it on there. Snug it up the rest of the way. And just hold your blade. And you'll feel a click on your torque wrench. There. Once you hear that click, leave it alone. These bolts, what I've seen a lot of people do is they just crank the hell out of them really hard. It doesn't need that much torque on it. It's pretty specific, so don't go crazy on it because you'll have hell getting it off next time. If you got any questions or anything you want to learn about lawn care, fertilization, weed control, mowing, pest control, just drop it in the comments below. Thanks.